Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Point. Today we're checking out the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter, a powerful commuter scooter with big range, smooth comfort, and smart app controls. Stay tuned as we put it to the test, exploring its design, real-world performance, and whether it truly delivers the value and convenience you need for daily commuting. As always, the best deals are linked in the description below. Now, let's get rolling. At the heart of the Hiboy S2 Pro is a 500-watt brushless hub motor, giving you speeds up to 19 miles per hour. That's fast enough to keep up with city traffic on bike lanes, but still safe and stable for everyday use. Powering it all is a 36-volt, 11.6 amp-hour battery, which delivers up to 25.6 miles of range under the right conditions. Now, of course, real-world performance depends on rider weight, terrain, and riding style. But for most people, you're looking at a solid full day of commuting or a long recreational ride before needing a recharge. One of the highlights of this scooter is comfort. The 10-inch solid tires are built to handle bumps, cracks, and uneven pavement without the worry of flats. And Hiboy added dual rear shock absorbers, which really help smooth out the ride. Whether you're rolling over city streets or hitting the occasional speed bump, you'll definitely feel the difference compared to smaller wheel scooters. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Hiboy S2 Pro comes with an ultra-bright headlight with up to 15 meters of range, so you're visible even on darker streets. On top of that, the dual braking system combines a disc brake with EABS, regenerative anti-lock braking. That means you've got both stopping power and battery efficiency working together for peace of mind. Practicality is another strong point. The scooter folds down easily, making it super convenient to store in a car trunk, under a desk, or even carry onto public transport. Hiboy also offers an optional detachable seat, which you can buy separately if you prefer a more relaxed sit-down commute. And here's where things get really cool. The Hiboy S2 app. Just connect your scooter to the app and you can lock it for extra security, adjust acceleration and braking responsiveness, or track your riding stats. It's a nice touch that adds more customization and control to your rides. Finally, Hiboy backs the S2 Pro with a 12-month or 6-month warranty depending on the component, which shows they stand behind the build quality. So overall, the Hiboy S2 Pro is a solid choice if you're looking for a commuter scooter that blends power, comfort, and safety. With its long range, smooth ride, and handy app features, it's designed to make your daily travel not just easier, but way more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest product reviews. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on product we reviewed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.